Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today this video is really exciting. Today we will see a lovely topic of how we can print a hello world. And guys, this is a first line, or we can say a first line of code that we will be seeing in this whole Rust journey, right? Now we will see a lot in futures, but for today we will see a really cool thing, how we can print a hello world in Rust, right? So right now you can see I am on my screen, and we will use a online tool. Okay, we will not go with any code editor or something. We will learn this series with the Replit. Okay, so what do you need to do? Just go to Google and write here Replit. Okay, Replit. Okay, and hit enter. So you can see this is a website. Let me zoom it a little bit. Okay, and I believe this is all good. Okay, great. So now you can see on the screen, this is a website called Replit. Just click on it, and you are here, right? And what do you need to do? Just click here on login. Let me zoom it here even. Okay, fine. So what you can do, basically you can continue with the Google, and this will redirect you to some pages. You can choose any account, whatever you prefer. So I will continue, and let's wait till it's loading. Okay, so what like this is for personal use, and your name can be anything. I'm writing Jitendra here, and Sunny. I will continue, and I will continue for free. Okay, continue with starter and start creating. So guys, I hope you are on this screen yet or this point. So some of you can have some questions like then why we have installed Rust in local system, why exactly that's happening. So see, we have installed Rust to know whether we will be able to start everything from scratch or not. Okay, if in future there can be something that the Replit is not able to handle, then we need to shift to local system. Okay, but for now this is a learning phase and this is a beginning phase, so we can easily go with Replit because Replit support everything, right? So what do you need to do? It's a lot simple. Click on this search and try to create here a new project. Okay, and the project will be of Rust. Okay, you can see here we have got it first option, that Replit Rust. Just click on it, and you will get something like this. Okay, and just scroll it here little bit. The website is not properly handled. Okay, just whatever name you want to give, you can name it your. Okay, so I will see here, I will give it name here hello, and I will create this app. Okay, so this app will be created within a seconds. Okay, I will not, okay, I not want any AI assistant. I can close it here, so I can see here. So guys, this is a kind of our VS code. Okay, here it's kind of an VS code. So what you can see, one is folder and another is two files. So you can see we have one cargo file and another we have cargo.toml. So what you need to do, see, we don't need to do anything in these files. Just I want to explain you what exactly these files are, what they are holding. Okay, so this is a version 3. Okay, and not specific to us. No, we don't want to know anything. This is for Rust need to handle these all things. Okay, and after that we have our project and all. This is not for us. Okay, now we have cargo.toml. Inside cargo.toml, this is our package, basically our project name, our project version, and the Rust edition. If you see the edition in your local system, if if you are doing on a local editor, that will be 2024. Okay, and after that we will be here seeing some additional libraries, like if we are going to install some additional libraries, we will see those dependencies here. Okay, now we will see here basically main.rs file. Okay, are you guys ready? I hope you all are, and you all are even excited, right? Okay, so first of all we will create one function. Okay, and how function is created? It is created by fn. Okay, and the function name is main. Okay, after fn we will write the name of that function, that's main, and the round brackets, and after that curly brackets. Okay, so now we can easily see we have written a print hello world. Okay, great. So to print something in a terminal in Rust, we use print ln and this exclamatory sign, after that round brackets, and after that some like a hello world in form of a string we can easily write. Now if we are writing this in the same way, okay, and if I do right now here run, okay, now see magic here on the right side. So now can you see it has compiled the code, it has created some binary file, like this hello world is easily readable for humans, but machine can't read it, okay. So that's why it has created a perfect build for first, like it has created an build, and after that it has run that build, okay. Cool. Now if I show you in the console, you can see here it's a hello world. Now you can see, now you might think that can be something else, even why this is only. If I try to change here hello world, okay, so if I write here hello world, I am learning Rust, okay? If I try to run it, okay, let me run it again. So you can see it's again compiling, and in my terminal I've easily got it, a hello world, I'm learning Rust. I hope you have seen how we have written hello world and some more exciting things. Now it's your time. Go to the Replit and try executing different line of codes. Write different things and try to run it. And yeah, just comment whatever the best line you have written in your terminal. And we will catch up in next video with another topic, and we will start learning a lot of things, a lot of engaging points. So yeah, for today we have seen hello world, and that's all for today's. So yeah, thank you guys.